There it goes.
Oh.
Did you guys hear that?
Yeah.
There's the shake.
Yay, all right. So
Could I be your chiropractor in the future?
I think so,
right.
yeah.
I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. So we have Chad back, and Chad and I did a few videos together with his now deceased dog called Paloma, and same breed.
Yep.
And Paloma, if you remember, and we'll put a link to the videos, was dealing with bladder cancer. And we did some good work.
It was great.
Yeah. Like she would go from having difficulty walking, and then the adjustments, everybody felt that the cancer might be pushing into those nerves around the spine and knocking out her ability to have a normal walk. And so we did quite a bit of work together, and then she didn't, survive her cancer.
Right.
But
she made it good to the end, so that was great.
Thank you. And I'm sorry for your loss. It's such a tough thing.
Yeah.
But now you have a new love.
This is our new baby.
And what's interesting is Colomba and Paloma both mean dove. One is for Italian, one is for Spanish. And so we have a beautiful dove here today. So thank you for coming in. She's only 6 months old.
Yeah.
And you might be wondering, what's a 6-month-old dog doing with the animal chiropractor? But she was playing with a lot of energy, and she started limping a little bit, right?
She jumped off the couch, we think, and her back left leg is a little lame.
Okay.
Over the last few days, it's gotten better and better, and she can stand on it, walk on it, but we just want to make sure it's not out of place. So
yeah, and that's a good idea. I mean, sometimes, and we see with kids too, like a toddler will fall or hit their head on the coffee table. Just think how many times you fall when you're just learning to walk, our children. And so it can happen to puppies too, because they're crazy wild and fun and have a lot of energy. They zoom around, right?
Yeah, she's a spaz.
So we'll take a look. And the other thing that's interesting that Chad brought up to me while we were texting each other was, like, does a dog need regular maintenance care? And that depends on the family if they are interested in that. I don't have a pet right now, but when I had a dog, I would adjust it once a month, and just to keep them well. And that was easy to do because I was the owner. But if you could, it's just a good idea to just open the body up. And I tell that to humans too. I have a lot of human patients that I invite. If you're feeling well, but you have a full life, come in once a month and get worked on, if that fits your lifestyle and your needs. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Paloma, I wanted to ask if it's okay to work with you today. Could I work with you? What do you think? Is it okay to work with her?
Yeah.
Okay. So you notice the back left, and you said the front shoulders gets clicky.
One of them. I think it's the right, but it does click. Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna do a little work. You're so cute.
I don't know if you want to muzzle her. I don't know.
We'll find out soon.
Okay.
Let me start at the top.
Am I holding her here?
Yeah. Let's just see. Let's see if she lets me. Her neck feels really good. Sometimes check the neck. If they jump off the couch or the bed, they can get like a little whiplash from it. So I like to check. And that could also, the neck can also affect the front shoulder and the front limb. So I want to just see if anything's going on. And she's squiggling a lot, but I feel there's a little something at the left atlas. And I got it. Wait, a little more. I got some of it. There it goes. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So that's the left atlas. Her rest of her neck feels really good. I'm going to pick up this front right shoulder. And did you guys hear that?
Yeah.
That was a big crack.
Yeah.
Okay, so that shoulder was out. It was the front right.
Okay.
The front left is perfect.
Cool.
You could hear that, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So I'm going to come down. So we call that a left anterior humerus. So the humerus on her right shoulder, which is the upper arm bone, came forward. So once in a while it'll click and crack, but I just set it back down, made a big pop, and now it's in really well, and it probably won't make that clicking, popping, audible noise anymore. Now I'm going to come through the upper back. So that was good. I mean, that was actually out. So that was a good call on your part to think that might be misaligned. and I'm coming down the back here. There's 13 bones in the thoracics, and I'm checking each one. Her withers area, T3 through T8, is really nice. That's between the shoulder blades, coming down through the thoracics. There's a little bit there. That's where she cries a little bit. There it goes. Okay, so I got that one too. And the rest of the lumbars are good. So then dogs have 7 lumbars. We have 5. They have 13 thoracics. We have 12. They have 7 bones in the neck, so do we. All mammals have 7 except the manatee and the sloth. And I don't think she's a manatee or a sloth. And let's check the back extension. Nice. And she's giving me this, so it's really nice. And there's the back.
Showgirl?
Let's just see if I can do a little bit in here. There it goes. Okay. Now I'm going to back that up with a little bit of a adjustment with the activator.
Sure. Am I holding her like this?
Yeah, that's okay. Her back hip was out a little too.
Is that, yeah?
Yeah. So I'm back in here, and then I'm going to do sacral base, and then one on the back hip as well. And great. We are done. So let's put her down and see if she shakes out. Maybe you'll put her down on the mat here.
Yeah. Gotta shake it out.
First, she's smelling other dogs that we have in here. Give her a second.
Good job, sweet baby. Good job, Paloma. What do you think? Stretch. You feel better? You feel better?
She's very interested. Here, let her scoot around, see what she wants to do. There's the shake.
Yay, all right.
She's really beautiful dog.
Thank you.
And I hope everybody leaves her a comment and maybe also, reflect on, take a look at her fairy godmother, right? Yeah. Columba was such a great dog. Yeah. It was great to work with her. Do a little bit of a left atlas.
Okay, I got you.
Okay, there it goes. This will help release it quite a bit.
Here you go, sweet baby. Oh, it probably feels good, right? Maybe not. Is that sore today? Too sore today?
Columba had those Bambi legs, really rounded in the back and almost scared to walk, or even peeing was difficult because she would quiver while she peed.
Yeah. Well, she jumped out of the cab when Pablo got home, and she was able to go up the stairs, and she hadn't done stairs at all. It's okay, baby.
Okay, so she went from no stairs to stairs. Yeah. She was walking down the sidewalk.
Hi, sweet baby.
Yeah.
Oh, should we give you a massage? Oh, rub your tummy. Rub your tummy a little bit.
You're very brave. Thank you for coming in today. I appreciate it.
All right, you got a kiss. So there you go.
Could I be your chiropractor in the future?
I think so, yeah.
Good,
Thanks,
good.
guys. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks.